Let me get a video of this.
Timmy, stop yanking.
Timmy's driving the boat.
Well, how am I supposed to steer this thing?
You don't need to steer, just hold it straight.
Timmy's driving the boat.
I turn it.
Turn.
Turn it that way then. Yeah. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Now turn it back the other way.
Leave it straight. There you go.
Turn it back the other way.
Wave to the people.
Where is it?
Timmy, the police are coming for you. They see you.
Woo, 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 woo. Pull over, young punk. Okay, Tim. Oh, he was having fun.
I'm sure he was, but
Tim, did you have fun?
Yeah. It was like the easiest stealing a turtle is.
but it doesn't turn when he's in that car.
No, we go way up there. That goes way up there. Who moved my cheese?
Open it. Oh.
Leonard probably knows what that means.
Oh yeah.